development of severe weather, including light hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Okay. Didn't really see that coming.
Listening area. Excessive heat warning in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday. Tonight, mostly cloudy this evening. Then.
Wow, okay. SVA right here. Option view. That's what's resistors. Fierce signs from watchful Orange County, New York, ending at 11:15 tonight. That's pretty. This is just so I have it on record, folks. That was a nice surprise. Option, we can send it again. And the watch resistance, dude, so let's take a look at what it looks like. Alright. Alright, guys. Yeah, here's the watch. So, alright.